Hey guys, I am here with another vintage fan that I've collected. I just picked up, this is one of my last finds from 2015. Near the end of the year, I went Habitat Restore shopping with Dan Newman in Madison. And this is one of the finds I found. I'm proud to actually find one of these. This is a Moss Heirloom Deluxe in antique brass and cane blades. That's one of the main reasons I caught my eye was cane blades. I grew up looking at fans with cane blades in the 80s, so that was definitely a major feature that resembles my childhood. And so does a yellow tassel pull chain. If I see brown cane blade antique brass, I gotta see that pull chain attachment. But I also found a Homestead Universal and a polished brass design house carousel that I traded my friend Tommy for this antique brass one, and there's the blades for the design house that I'm going to test later on in another video. But I definitely want to show this because this is a cast iron motor. This is actually quite a powerful fan. So we're going to start with low. And of course I got the wall control for this on my Fasco. It's set to high. It's a Fasco control that I got with my Fasco Charleston. So yeah, it's very typical low. I hate when this camera does that. I have to stand back here and keep the fan kind of indirect. It's a typical low. It's not a bad low. But let's do a medium. Let's do the factory medium. But yeah, these were sold in the 70s and very early 80s through JCPenny. So, but the Moss Heirloom Deluxe, it's a heavy-duty fan for residential. It's, as I said, cast iron spinner motor. So it's a heavy one to put up. But I love it. I love this thing. And let's stand under it and oh yeah, get a lot of air out of it already on medium. So this is actually a good medium. I like it. Yeah, feel a lot of air. This is actually quite an air mover. But as you can see, let's do high here. Oh yeah. Wow. I definitely feel air off of this thing. Oh yeah. I definitely would use this fan. This is definitely a keeper for me. So I'm actually proud to own one of these Moss Heirloom Deluxes, and I have a nice light kit for it, I think. These shades aren't bad for it. I just got the light shades from Dan Newman. Same with the yellow tassel, so figured I'd put these on. Actually, well, these frosted ones I like a little better than these ribbed clear glass ones. I don't know if I want to use those again, but they were given to me, so it was a start. Okay, I think it's time to do spin down, and I'm going to do it from the wall control. Yep. Okay, when I got it, bearings felt smooth, so I mean it's harder to spin since it's so heavy, but I could tell they were smooth. Dan also checked that stuff for me as well, just because he wants to check it all out. Of course, I got a light dimmer on it. Yep, light dimmer. Yeah, it's definitely a good fan if it's got, well, since it's a cast iron motor, it's going to have a longer spin down. So, alright, it's getting close, because next I'm going to demonstrate the 4-speed Fastgo control and see how this actually does and show you the speeds that the Fastgo control offers. This is actually a transformer based control right here, but I actually have another control I'm going to put in its place. A one that's newer and of course capacitor controlled, because I've tried some other fans that do not work well on it. They run too fast on low, especially my industrials. So, but let's do wall control low, all the way over to low. But as soon as I do have a different control in, I'm going to try some of my industrials out, like this Tat here, and my Stratafan, and my Airmasters. Well, since this is low, we're going to go up to a step above low, which is like low medium. And medium, I see a little bit of a wobble, and I notice that the blades actually need a little bit of a height adjustment. And I'll get to that later on, but nothing is too bad, just could use a little bit of balancing. I'll have to work on that. That's not hard to do, but this is definitely not a bad low medium either. It's a little slower than the factory, but here, let's do high medium. This might actually be, this is more like the factory medium in this, from this control. That's what I get out of this fan here, is its factory medium at high medium. So, yeah, this is a good speed. It's a good summer speed, whether you got AC on or not. If it's a nice day and you don't have AC on and you want to move some air, this is a good speed for that. Alright, here comes high again. And of course, there is a reverse switch on this one as well, so I'll definitely show reverse, but other than that, I don't know if, well, that is actually what I have for my Moss Heirloom Deluxe. And it's definitely, I'm proud to find this fan at Habitat, so I think this is a keeper for a vintage fan. I love it. I actually like this fan now. So I'm just gonna turn it back to low and and say thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another fan test video. I'm out.